So yeah, sorry that I didn't have audio on the last thing. Download this new thing, and I didn't realize you had to turn it on because I thought it was already on. So yeah, I apologize for that. Either way, it's been doing good. This channel has been doing good. And I just want to say thank you for all the people that have supported me to get to this point. I'll keep putting content. It'll just keep being better and better, higher quality. I do apologize for these 3 videos. So I'm just gonna show you these sound effects because I thought it would be fair, because I don't want to redo these whole videos. But I promise you I will make some other stuff. So it is called myinstance.com. Just search my instance, water systems, and soundboard buttons website. And what you could do, search up anything, and you can play sounds. Sorry, you didn't really hear that. Yeah. So, yeah, I just wanted to show that, because I forgot to. Anyways. Well, not just that. I just wanted to say I'll be making new content. Ah, look. Small World Cup came up, and that's like the same thing that I use. So I promise I'll be making new content. I won't be replacing that, but still. And fuck yeah. I've been doing pretty good, and so have you. So yeah. Fuck yeah. So, final thoughts, bye. And,